Yo, what's up everybody, it's your man MKBHD here, and today we're going to be diving into the world of APK Easy Tool. This tool is your one-stop shop for managing APK files, which is super useful for Android. APK Easy Tool lets you do some cool stuff like decompiling APKs to see what's inside, editing them, and then repackaging them. It's really user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding wizard or anything to use it. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. We'll be installing the tool, decompiling an APK, making some edits, and then putting it all back together. First things first, you gotta download APK Easy Tool. Just search for it online and you'll find it easily. Once you've downloaded it, unzip the file. Now, double-click the executable file to run the installer. You might see a security warning, just click Run or Allow to continue. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You can leave everything at its default settings, or you can customize them if you want. Once the installation is complete, you're good to go. You can launch APK Easy Tool and start using it. Alright, so you've got APK Easy Tool up and running. Now let's decompile an APK. Click the Select APK button and choose the APK file you want to work with. Then click Decompile. APK Easy Tool will extract all the files and folders from the APK and show them to you. Now you can browse through the decompiled files. You'll see things like images, sounds, and XML files. You can edit these files to customize the app. For example, you could change the app's icon or even modify its code. Once you're done editing, it's time to put everything back together. Click the Compile button, and APK Easy Tool will create a new APK file with your changes. But before you can install this APK, you need to sign it. Signing an APK is like putting your digital signature on it. It verifies that the APK came from you and hasn't been tampered with. Click the Sign APK button, and APK Easy Tool will guide you through the process. And that's it. You've successfully decompiled, edited, compiled, and signed an APK using APK Easy Tool. This tool is super powerful and can be used for a ton of different things. So go out there, experiment, and see what you can create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Peace out.